See what happens to your body when you drink Moringa every day. Moringa or Moringa oleifera is becoming more and more popular each day. It is a fast-growing, deciduous tree which is native to India. It's widely cultivated in tropical and subtropical areas all over Asia, South America, and Africa. It is also known as drumstick tree, mother's best friend, horseradish tree and West Indian ben.Although Moringa has become popular as a leaf powder supplement. The roots, pods, bark, seeds, flower and fruits are also edible. Moringa is rich in vitamins, proteins and minerals. It's a source of vitamin A, vitamin B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B6, folate and vitamin C. It's also a source of potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc and phosphorus. Moringa is not in vain called the miracle tree. Here are some of its amazing benefits. Health benefits of Moringa. Cure stomach disorders. Moringa contains isothiocyanates, which are very effective in the treatment of abdominal disorders like ulcerative colitis, gastritis and constipation. There are studies which have shown that Moringa can be used as an effective herbal substitute for a range of commercially available antacids. According to a research, it can effectively cure ulcerative colitis. Moringa also contains antibacterial and antibiotic properties which prevent the growth of various pathogens, including Helicobacter pylori bacteria and coliform bacteria which trigger conditions like diarrhea. Protects the liver. Moringa consists of phytochemicals like epicatechin, ferulic acid, catechin, and vitamin C. These nutrients are very helpful in protecting the liver. They help to restore the levels of glutathione content in the body and also prevent radiation-induced hepatic lipid peroxidation. According to a research, Moringa leaves are effective against liver damage caused by anti-tubercular drugs, as well as in speeding up the recovery process. Prevents neurodegenerative diseases. According to a recent study, Moringa extracts are effective in altering brain monoamines like norepinephrine, dopamine and serotonin. It can even protect your brain from deficiencies which are related to Alzheimer's disease. Provides excellent nutritional support. Moringa is packed with nutrients. There's 17 times more calcium in Moringa than in milk, 25 times more iron than in spinach and 10 times more beta-carotene than in carrots. It is also rich in minerals like zinc, potassium, iron and also in vitamin C and B complex vitamins. It is rich in proteins as well. It contains 4 times of what eggs provide. Treats diabetes. It is very beneficial in the treatment of diabetes mellitus. There are some research studies which have demonstrated that treatment with Moringa gave positive effects in reduction of urine sugar, blood glucose and urine proteins in diabetic test subjects. The studies also have shown obvious improvement in hemoglobin levels and total protein content of the diabetic subject. Contains antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Due to the antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, Moringa is effective against the growth of disease-causing microbes. According to a scientific research, Moringa extracts protect us against foodborne microorganisms like Rhizopus species, Salmonella, Enterobacter aeruginosa, E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Fights cancer. Moringa plays an important role as an anti-cancer agent. It's highly valued in tumor therapy. It contains the phenolic components chemferol and quercetin, and according to some scientific research those components possess chemopreventive properties. According to another research, the bioactive compound niacin has a major role in restraining the development of cancer cells. Improves kidney function. Moringa has detoxifying and diuretic properties which help in improving kidney function and resolving urinary tract infections. It is used in the treatment of kidney stones since it helps to flush out excess calcium from the kidneys. Through the process of flushing the stones out, it also reduces the associated pain and inflammation as well. Stimulates hair growth. Being rich in zinc, vitamins A, vitamin Z, and amino acids required for the production of keratin, is what makes Moringa an excellent hair tonic. Many high-quality hair care products consist of ben oil. Ben oil is extracted from the seeds of the moringa. This oil is also edible. It is light in texture and sweet in taste. It is known for its unique feature, stability and resistance to oxidation. Moringa seed oil enhances blood circulation to the scalp and prompts hair growth. Moringa supplements can provide the same benefits too, since they supply the minerals and B-complex vitamins which are necessary for hair growth. Protects the heart. Moringa extracts are packed with antioxidants, and antioxidants are helpful in prevention of myocardial and cardiac damage. According to some research studies, there is some supporting evidence which prove the cardioprotective and anti-peroxidative effects of Moringa therapy. Moringa treatment helps in inhibiting the increase in lipid peroxidation in the myocardial tissue and helps in maintaining healthy heart. Treats edema. Moringa extracts are very effective in the treatment of edema. According to some research studies, treatment with moringa root extract has been very effective in preventing the development of edema. That is due to its anti-inflammatory properties. The studies also confirm that the effects provided by moringa are equal to the effects provided by the anti-inflammatory medicine indomethacin in the treatment of edema. How to use moringa. If you like to drink moringa tea, bear in mind that what's inside the bag is also very nutritious. When you are done with your tea, open the bag and use the powder as addition to your milkshake, salads or some other dish. You can also feed your dog with the powder. Mix it with your dog's food and let it have all the necessary nutrients. If the moringa taste is too strong for you, neutralize it. Mix half a teaspoon of moringa, a teaspoon of honey, a squeeze of lemon and some water. Stir well and drink it. If you like, you can also add a teaspoon of moringa into your soup, broth, juice, pasta or any other dish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.